And now it's the part of the show where Mr. Andrew Owens comes up to sing a solo, because we know for a majority of you that is the reason you are here.
Yes, sir.
I'd like my daughter to join me on this.
Nice.
Are you ready, Peter?
I'm ready.
Jesus, silver or gold, I'd rather be his than have riches untold. I'd rather have Jesus than houses or land. I'd rather be led by his nail-pierced hands than to be the king of a vast domain, or be held in sin's dread sway. I'd rather have Jesus than anything this world affords today. I'd rather have Jesus than men's applause. I'd rather be faithful to his good cause. I'd rather have Jesus than worldwide fame. I'd rather be true to his holy name than to be the king of a vast domain, or be held in sin's dread sway. I'd rather have Jesus than anything this world affords today. And lilies of rarest bloom, he's sweeter than honey from out the comb. He's all that my hungering spirit needs. I'd rather have Jesus and let him than to be the king of a vast domain, or be held in sin's dread sway. I'd rather have Jesus than anything this world affords today. I'd rather have Jesus than